reputation every time you look on blood clot internet. You see your minions, them a call people all kind of name. Whenever you hear trouble, you feel good about look at dirty minion, them and them at about if you come out for your name. How my youth them go and see them a try style them, daddy? You think say you can you think you not come back here as a hero? You come back here as a hyena if you not change your dirty ways, my youth. At time for you do you go up and teach them what they about you reconcile with people, you know. No, that no count. Because we see your real dirty self now. Do it good now. Keep one party. Me I go tell you how to do that, fix that something, you know. Let me tell you how to fix that something. Because I don't want you to come back like hyena. Because we can't take nobody uglier than you to come back here. We don't want nobody come back on earth uglier than you. See? The same way you long up your mouth on the radio station when you don't talk to Preston them and you look like you're near the hyena. Here we have to go do now. See? And me I say this, nobody take it offensive, man, because you know you're near the hyena. Nobody make you offended by this. Laugh. Go home and laugh, man. Just laugh and laugh at people and laugh. Take it. We are teach you to get thin, fit level the thin skin. We want to tough you up. Because you're too thin skin. You're too touches for a bad man. See? You're too thin skin for a bad man. Run like a joke and laugh, man. So when you come back here, you don't sound like a hyena virgin. See? And I try thief from the lion all the time thinking him. Here we are going to know. This is my advice to you. Because nobody can save you now, because the world see a dirty side of you, know. Merciless became a sacrificial lamb to show the world how dirty you are. I know you had a system in place to lock way out. Somehow we escape it. But we don't really escape it because all man like me should have more ratings in the dancehall community. But me don't have no ratings in the dancehall community because me go talk and tell the people them say, yeah, devil. So them block me. But here we can do to fix it now before we dead. Because me could have our next 20, 25 years, yeah. You could have our next 20 for so much because you love the NSC, so you could have shorter. But whichever way, we don't have longer here, brother. We don't have longer here. We don't have long time leave. We there in a way near 50s or 50s now. Right? You must say 50. You're about 20 or 25. Right? Based on natural cause. Keep on party, my youth. I invite every bumbleclad person we are hurting our music. Because you know one we are hurting our music. Just send an invitation. I invite all of them. And just make it whole of we come at the party. And you just say, listen to me. Me did immature. All of me turn big man, me still immature. Me honestly never mean to do the things I want me to do now. And the system where they did in place, me never put it in place to hurt you know. But me know say it hurt you know. We maybe can't repair everything, or we can't get back where we lose, or we can't get back where we lose. Like somehow we lose in a career, somehow we lose fans, all of them things. And we know we can't replace them things there. But we know we can replace? We can replace hate with love. Please, before your blood clot, they try that. Call Trooper, everybody. Vegas, Trooper, Lexus, Tommy Lee when he come out, all the way alkalines, just send it. Me guarantee you say alkaline in that come. Me feel like him that come. Hyena, everybody, Angel, everybody. Even though you're a woman, but you come comfortable, your shit in her head. Everybody where you hurt. Everybody. Everybody. You see? It's like when you're being man up and down and you take picture of the business class and show say you're my bestie now and them something there. But you still try style him on the radio, Caan, because you can't change. You can't tame. You're a hyena. You're near the hyena. Right? You can't tame. Being a man better watch himself. But try. Movado. All of the youth them where you hurt. Just keep one party. Name It's a Party. You see that It's a Party, it's different. That It's a Party are named Damage Control or Damage Repair. Damage repairing. See? Or whatever you want to call it. Even though you're full of style, you're full of lyrics. You're going to find a name to blend with. Repairing, airing, wearing, so. You see? And just invite all of it. And just say, you know what? Tonight, we are replace hate with love. That's going to be your biggest fucking impact on this world. Your millions on social media, we are keep on gassing you up and boost you up and make you feel like you're doing the right thing, they cannot save your soul, brother. If you have a soul, and if when them tell we say, go nothing near so, say we cannot die, we just transfer. Like some people say them are going to resurrect. And some people think say them are going to go hell or go heaven. And some people think say them are going to go to a different dimension, whatever it is. Whatever it is, they cannot save it, brother. You see? So repair it before your blood clot dead. Don't dead like Hitler. Don't dead like the wicked people them. Don't dead like the slave master them. Because them motherfuckers, they might be wandering the earth to and fro like Satan, according to the Bible. You don't want to walk the earth to and fro, brother, with no friggin' place of rest. You see? Leg off your pumps and pride and your anger. You see? Them people can't save your soul, bro. And the people who are around you, I gas you up and I rub your shoulder like a boxing machine. Then can't save you. You hurt a lot of fucking people. And even if death you hurt the youth. The man dead and you couldn't allow him to just rest in peace. You make we even there still talk about him. But you know why we are talking about him? And we are in vice now. You know why Trooper talk about him? A Trooper in vice. You know why Lexus come and talk about him? And we are in vice. You know why the people, them, the little regular people, them put up video talk about him? Because of them a merciless voice. Because the flesh was weak to whatever it was weak to. But his soul stands supreme. Not for we never go at the funeral. It no means that we don't love him. You never have to go at the funeral. You could have something to do. But you never have to behave that way. Yeah. Dog shit. You see? Hyena. In the next life. You never have to behave so. But you can't fix that. Turn it around. This is a wake-up call for your nastiness. You see? Keep on show and call it something, something, something. Because you got dead, fuck up. You hear me say? Well, you got dead, you know. But one thing I sure say, brother, the soul you got clean, the heart you clean, you fuck. Me not have no luggage. Me not even have hatred for you. Right now, me at a point where I feel sorry for you. Me not have hatred for you. And me advise my brother Lexus, leg off of hatred. Leg off of that animosity, whatever you hold, brother, anger. Feel sorry for him. Have empathy for him, brother Lexus. Please. He need help. Empathy, brother. See? Big up on yourself, people. Have a great night.